Do you know which country produces the most gold in the world? Congo produces 5 kilograms of gold per year. Germany produces 10 kilograms of gold per year. Chad produces 14 kilograms of gold per year. Benin produces 20 kilograms of gold per year. Jamaica produces 20 kilograms of gold per year. Afghanistan produces 40 kilograms of gold per year. Britain produces 50 kilograms of gold per year. Sierra Leone produces 60 kilograms of gold per year. Cyprus 61 kilograms of gold per year. Algeria produces 71 kilograms of gold per year. El Salvador 71 kilograms of gold per year. Czech Republic 75 kilograms of gold per year. Portugal 89 kilograms of gold per year. Korea produced 162 kilograms of gold per year. Kenya produces 200 kilograms of gold per year. Equatorial Guinea 200 kilograms of gold per year. Norway 200 kilograms of gold per year. Slovakia 300 kilograms of gold per year. Morocco 400 kilograms of gold per year. Romania 400 kilograms of gold per year. Italy 450 kilograms of gold per year. Venezuela 480 kilograms of gold per year. Poland produces 500 kilograms of gold per year. 58 annual gold production 500 kilograms. Mozambique produces 500 kilograms of gold per year. Serbia produces 600 kilograms of gold per year. Hungary's annual gold production 600 kilograms. Vietnam produces 600 kilograms of gold per year. Gabon produced 670 kilograms of gold per year. Myanmar produces 773 kilograms of gold per year. Greece produces 800 kilograms of gold per year. Burundi 847 kilograms of gold per year. Central African Republic produces 900 kilograms of gold per year. Botswana produces 1 ton of gold per year. North Korea produces 1 ton of gold per year. Niger produces 1 tons of gold per year. French Guiana produces 19 tons of gold per year. Uruguay produces 2 tons of gold per year. India 4 tons of gold per year. Eritrea produces 4 tons of gold per year. Fiji produces 140 million tons of gold per year. France produces 5 tons of gold per year. Madagascar produces 5 tons of gold per year. Cameroon produces 7 tons of gold per year. Solomon Islands produces 8 tons of gold per year. Honduras produces 9 tons of gold per year. Malaysia 12 tons of gold per year. Azerbaijan annual gold production 79 tons of gold produced in Uganda. 3 tons of gold produced in Uganda per year. Georgia 3 tons of gold per year. Ethiopia 48 tons of gold per year. Ecuador produced 5 tons of gold. Spain produced 6 tons of gold per year. Armenia produced 2 tons of gold per year. Saudi